This might just be the cutest thing you'll see all day. Footage shows this hippo and her tank adorably sleeping underwater as air bubbles rise to the surface. The Nile hippo, who lives at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden, named Fiona after the female lead in Shrek, has quite the tail herself. She was born 6 weeks premature in 2017 and is believed to be the smallest of her species to survive. Usually Nile hippos are born weighing at least 55 pounds, but she was born only weighing nearly 30 pounds. Now she's a whopping 1,300 pounds, a far cry from her birth weight. Oh, sorry Fiona, didn't mean to be so loud. I'll let you continue napping.